Hey guys, Zexus here. In today's video, we are going to install an HUD script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. Before that, if you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. The HUD which we are going to install is pure HUD by UZ Scripts. I will provide the link in the description below. You just need to click on code and download the script. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file. Now open the file, then copy this file from here and paste it into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be pasting it over here. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. Before doing anything, you just need to delete your old qb-hud. For that, go to qb, then you will find your qb-hud over here. You just need to delete it. Now open the HUD script. Now go to customize.lua. From here you can customize your HUD. In the framework section, I'll be keeping it QBCore framework. If you're using ESX, you can just change the QBCore from ESX. And for the speedometer type, I'll be keeping it true because I want to use a kilometer per hour. Always on minimap will be false. And from here, you can change the server name. So I'll be changing it to Zexus. And money type will be dollar for me. And player display, money display will be true. And from here, you can change your UI colors. You can change the color of your health, armor, hunger, thirst, stamina, stress, location, money background, server details, and money icons. You just need to provide the color hash codes in here. For that, I'll be using this website HTML color coders. For the health, I'll be choosing red color and I just need to copy this code from here and paste it over here just like this. For the armor, I'll be giving a dark blue color and replace over here. Now just like this, I'll be changing it from everywhere. So that's it. I have changed some of the code from here. And from here, you can configure the stress mechanism. If you want to disable the stress for a particular job, then you can add any job in here. So that's it for the config part. Now let's start the server. So we are in our server now. As we can see the new look of our HUD, it is showing the player ID, the real life time, the real life date, and how many players are in the server, the server's name, and how much money we have in our bank. And on the bottom side, we can see our health bar, our armor bar, hunger and thirst, stamina, and the stress one. So now let's spawn a car. As you can see the look of our speedometer, you can configure the colors from your customize.lua. The speedometer type is analog, so if you have a taste on analog style, you are definitely going to love this HUD. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.